It was a quiet Saturday afternoon in my workshop when my husband's friend, Mark, unexpectedly dropped by. I was busy fixing a vintage lamp when he offered to help, claiming he knew a thing or two about wiring. At first, it was just small talk, joking about our clumsy attempts at DIY. But as we worked side by side, sparks flew, literally and figuratively. I couldn't believe the sudden chemistry, the way we laughed at each other's mistakes. By the time the lamp flickered to life, I realized this ordinary workshop day had turned into something unforgettable.